Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to make a video be synchronized with the music for TikTok. So what I must do is download this app that you're seeing right now in my screen. Its name is CapCut. So if I go in, this is like a video editor. So I can create a new project and select videos or photos, in this case photos, that you want to be used in your video. Right now I have a project here and I have different pictures. Now below my pictures I have a button who says add audio. I'm going to click on it and then on sounds, and I'm going to choose any music I want, for instance pop, and funk it up. Why not? I'm going to click on the plus button on the add symbol, and now I have this song. If I go into my song, in the options at the bottom of my screen, I'm going to scroll a little and there is an option who says beats. I'm going to click on it and auto generate. So I'm going to add beats automatically, and here I have my different bits. I have two options, bit 1, almost each 4 bits, and here bit 2. By now I'm going to bit 2 and check. Now what I must do is to split or to move my pictures to these yellow points. So I have to select my picture and split my picture, and I'm going to raise this and again to the second point, select my picture, split, and delete the other part. Once you have done that, I'm going to play that and see the result. And that's it. That's how you can add different pictures and get them synchronized with the music.